What's good, guys? It's jacobcrypobury here. I hope you're doing fantastic. Thanks for hopping into another video. Today we're going to look at AAVE. Yes, I'm pronouncing it differently today because apparently I've been mispronouncing it this whole time. So we're going to look at AAVE. And why? Because we've been looking at it recently. We've got some interesting price action as well as some recent whale purchases. So far we can see the market is looking really green. Bitcoin is holding fairly nicely at $46,000, ETH at $3,500. So we're sitting under that $1 trillion market cap for Bitcoin at the moment. And you know, as we scroll down, you can just see that we're getting a lot of these coins start to pump more and more, especially on that monthly time frame. Things are looking extremely bullish, which reflects to us maybe we were just coming out of this undervaluation reaccumulation zone. So we're looking at AAVE today. We see here 22.4 billion of liquidity is locked in across 7 different networks over 13 different markets, so that number is growing more and more. And there's a really interesting tweet I wanted to share with you guys, which I just saw today actually. You can see here Stani Kuleshov, who is the founder of AAVE, talks about how DeFi users are taking loans from AAVE to buy homes, cars, and pay for college. So they're actually removing the middleman, the legacy mortgage system, and they're using decentralized finance to actually leverage and then buy these particular assets that they're looking for. Now that is really, really quite interesting. So it shows you the scale and the strength of, you know, AAVE in the future and what it can potentially do for people. We've also got another whale purchase, as we see just 2 days ago. Ethereum wallet sent 5,400 AAVE, which is about $1.3 million worth of AAVE token to another wallet. So we've got some whale activity going on, which is also really, really good to see. So we're getting more of these accumulation going on at the same time. So AAVE is currently ranked 51. We're just climbing that ladder little by little. We can see we've got a $3.3 billion market cap, and to be honest, it looks really good what's going on at the moment. Daily time frame, we're really trying to combat this particular $250 resistance, and we're going to talk about that in a moment because I think things can get very exciting for AAVE. So do stick around for the rest of the video. Make sure you subscribe as well. So here we can see in 2021 we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 green months. So far we've had a 50-50 kind of 2022. We've had a good April to begin with, and I think we're going to lead into potentially a good May, June. However, historically, we have had some red months in June as well. Q3 of 2021 was nice and green. So let's see what can potentially happen here. I mean, I'm feeling extremely bullish for AAVE regardless, but AAVE is definitely a cryptocurrency I will be buying and accumulating more of over and through this downtrend. So let's have a little look what's going on. AAVE is actually breaking out of a significant downtrend. It's really trying to break through this sort of resistance, this diagonal resistance we got here, and it does look a bit messy. I mean, I can take away this trajectory now. We had the falling wedge into this ascending channel, which I was talking about recently on the channel, and what we've done is broken through the bull market support band. We've got ourselves a nice golden cross, which does look fairly nice, and you know, here are all the different resistance and support levels. Can take those out for now. So what I am seeing, what matters right now, is firstly we're above the 200-week the 200-day moving average, which is this white line. So this is good. This shows bullish momentum. It shows perhaps we're in an uptrend. I mean, we've put through the higher high now, so we can start speculating things. You know, maybe this is going to be the ceiling. Maybe we will trade in a particular channel like this. So it's what you can start speculating from the data points that we've now got. You know, even though I do think it's possible that we can still come down to maybe the $190 mark, it doesn't necessarily mean it's bearish because we'd be putting through a higher low still. So let's hop into that 4-hour time frame, as what I wanted to look at is this particular chart pattern right here. So I'm going to take away the 200-day because it looks a bit messy, and what we've got is this ascending channel, and it looks a bit like a double top position, which is typically a bearish pattern, but right here this looks interesting because we've got a lot of consolidation, and it may even be a descending triangle depending on how you look at it, but it's not. It's more of a symmetrical triangle, and I think, you know, again, this illustrates a bit of bullishness for AAVE. Hopefully we can break out to the upside of this particular bull flag. We had the flag here, we came down, we pumped, we come back under the 20-day moving average, and we pumped again. So for me, the next key level of resistance is going to be the $245 level here, because that's where we're trying to break back through. Got lots of support at 192, lots of support at 212 as well. But I think it's very, very important that we get ourselves through 246 so we can target that $260 level. What happens if we do bust through the $260 level? Well, we can see that we have so much resistance here from 15th of January 2022, this particular area of resistance proving to be difficult. If we can break through the $243 level, we should come up to about 260, break the diagonal resistance, and make our way to, it sounds crazy, but the next particular resistance levels. So the next resistance levels are next price targets. The first one for me is going to be right up here at a $290-ish, $288. That would be the next price target, guys, if we break out of this $246 level. So it all depends on if we can just break to the upside of this particular bull pennant. What we have is a bit of a bearish divergence on the RSI. You can see here we have higher high on the price, and then we got a lower high on the RSI itself. And I suppose we haven't really got a bullish crossover on the MACD as well. But what I think is very important is that we break to the upside of this particular pennant. However, what can happen if we take the depth of this particular triangle, we can come back down. We can lose that support and probably come back down to a lower support level. We've got this support right here, and also this support at 204. So there are some vital support levels to check out for. Of course, if we break out to the upside, we're looking at targeting around $290. So we've got $290, we've got $212 particular long and short opportunities. However, I think we are going to be trading in this long term. I'm going to remove this now, this long term channel, and it could take a while to break out. So we just got to be patient. We've got to get this accumulation, consolidate at this level, guys. And I think AAVE is, you know, it's surging, it's waiting to do something big. It really wants to break out to these higher price levels at like $290. I think it's gagging for $290, and if it gets there soon, that will be great. But just know we are a little bit overbought on the RSI, so just steady onwards. Let's see if we can consolidate a little bit, as you know, maybe we're losing a bit of steam here. So that's a bit of a price prediction and a bit of news for AAVE. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hop into this Discord channel here, guys. Literally there's about 200 people here, so yeah, come say hi. We're all talking about crypto on many, many levels. Massive thank you to the patrons as well. You guys are amazing. Just the price of a coffee and you're going to get some great exclusive benefits. If you want to be a patron, check the link below. If you want to buy AAVE today, link below. Discord, link below. So yeah, see you soon, guys. Thanks. Bye.